Hello po, good day. Palito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite White variant po natin. So our stylus, nandito po siya sa likod. And on lang po natin yung ating DS Lite unit. Pakita ko lang din pala yung charging ng inyong unit. So once you plug in your charger just beside this green light, magkakaroon po ng orange light. Yes. Ito ko lang. Ayan. So this indicates that our unit is charging. And then, pakita ko lang pala first yung ating mga buttons. So our LR button, yung ating ABXY, directional buttons, and our select start. And of course, yung ating touchscreen. Now for your package, this, aside from your requested games po, we have installed a few other games. So this stores around, actually more than 300 to around 400 plus games. So marami na rin po kayong mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Now, if you would like to check yung mga game request po ninyo, open lang po natin yung game request folder para madali po ninyo siyang mahanap. So, andito yung ating mga Mario games, ayan, mga Harvest Moon, Rune Factory, Shin Megami, and etc. And if you would like to check other games, nandito naman po siya sa ating DS Games folder. So, nandito yung mga Animal Crossing, Kirby, ayan, Pokemon, Naruto, Dragon Ball, and marami pa pong iba. Ayan. So, load lang po natin yung isa sa mga game request po ninyo. Let's load itong Harvest Moon. Now, this order pala is going to Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte. So, I'll be also sending separate photos of the other inclusions that we have sa ating chat for your package. So, okay na rin po yung inyong unit na order. Bali, papak na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Alright, thank you po and happy gaming!